Have you ever considered selling your home to a cash buyer? This might sound like a foreign concept, but in the world of real estate, it's a viable option. A cash buyer is an individual or entity ready to purchase your property outright, without the need for a mortgage or loan. It's a transaction that offers a unique set of benefits and drawbacks, different from traditional home sales. Let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages of this real estate transaction. There are several advantages to selling your home to a cash buyer. One of the key benefits is the speed of the sale. Cash transactions can often be completed in as little as 7 to 10 days, compared to the traditional 30 to 60 days when dealing with mortgage approvals. This can be a game changer if you're under a tight timeline to move or pay off debts. Another advantage is the convenience. Cash buyers typically purchase as is, which means you don't have to worry about costly repairs or staging your home for open houses. Furthermore, the certainty of a cash sale can provide peace of mind. Unlike traditional buyers who may back out due to financing issues, with a cash buyer, once the deal is agreed upon, you can be confident that the sale will go through. While these advantages are enticing, it's crucial to also consider the other side of the coin. However, selling your home to a cash buyer also comes with its fair share of disadvantages. Yes, it's true. Although the idea of a quick, hassle-free sale may be appealing, it's crucial to consider the potential drawbacks. One of the most significant disadvantages is the potential for a lower sale price. Cash buyers often look for a bargain, which could mean that you end up selling your home for less than its market value. Another concern is the lack of competition. In a traditional sale, multiple buyers might compete for your home, driving up the price. With a cash buyer, that competition evaporates. Lastly, there's the potential for scams. Unfortunately, the world isn't devoid of unscrupulous characters looking to make a quick buck. Some individuals may pose as cash buyers to exploit unsuspecting homeowners. These disadvantages don't mean you should dismiss cash buyers outright, but they're certainly worth considering. Weighing these factors is essential in making the best decision for your property. In conclusion, selling a home to a cash buyer has its pros and cons. It can offer a speedy transaction and freedom from repair responsibilities, but it might not yield the highest possible price. It's crucial to weigh these factors, understanding that while it might seem simpler and swifter, it might not always be the most profitable route. Remember, the best decision depends on your specific circumstances and needs. It's always wise to consult with a real estate professional before making a decision.